and welcome to my channel. Today I'm here again with a joyful story about three bears titled Wise Old Bear's Hat. Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest, there lived three bears: Little Bear, Brown Bear, and Wise Old Bear. It was a sunny day, and the bears were enjoying a leisurely walk through the woods. As they strolled along, Little Bear, with his curious nature, spotted something on the ground. "What's that on the ground?" exclaimed Little Bear, his eyes widening with excitement. Wise Old Bear, with his infinite wisdom, looked down and smiled. "Oh, that's my hat," he replied warmly. Curiosity struck Brown Bear, who couldn't understand why a bear would need a hat. "Why do you have a hat?" he inquired. Wise Old Bear chuckled softly, his eyes twinkling. "Ah, my dear Brown Bear, I wear this hat to keep my head warm," he explained. "You see, a bear with a cold head is never a good thing." Impressed by the knowledge of Wise Old Bear, Little Bear piped up, "You know so many things. Can we ask more questions?" Wise Old Bear nodded, his kind eyes inviting their curious inquiries. "Of course," he replied warmly. Excitement gleamed in Little Bear's eyes as he pondered his next question. "Why does it rain?" he asked inquisitively. Wise Old Bear smiled, embracing the innocent curiosity of the younger bear. "It rains, my dear Little Bear, so that we can splish splash in the puddles," he answered joyfully. "Rain provides us with moments of playful delight and a chance to dance among the droplets." Eager for his turn, Brown Bear jumped in with his question, wondering about his own morning activities. "What did I do when I woke up today?" he asked inquisitively. Wise Old Bear looked at Brown Bear affectionately. His eyes filled with knowing. "When you woke up, you stretched and yawned, and then you did a little clumsy dance," he replied, a gentle chuckle escaping his lips. "You see, my dear Brown Bear, that's what brown bears always do when they wake up." Brown Bear was amazed. "How did you know that?" he gasped in astonishment. With a warm smile, Wise Old Bear responded, "Because, dear Brown Bear, I have observed the ways of bears for many years. Your habits upon waking are unique to your kind, just as each bear has their own special routines." Satisfied with the answers they received, Little Bear couldn't help but ponder one more question. "What am I thinking about?" he wondered aloud. "Shall I tell you?" Little Bear suggested, unable to contain his excitement. "I was thinking about a chocolate cake." Wise Old Bear's smile widened, his eyes sparkling with fondness. "I know you were," he replied, his voice gentle and warm. "You see, little bears are always thinking about chocolate cakes. That's why this morning I made one especially for you." The anticipation grew as Wise Old Bear lifted his hat, revealing a delightful surprise: a big homemade chocolate cake adorned with berries and a sprinkle of love. "You really do know everything!" exclaimed Brown Bear, his eyes wide with amazement. Wise Old Bear chuckled affectionately. "Most things," he humbly replied. "Perhaps we should all have a slice." Overjoyed, the three bears gathered around the cake, cutting generous slices and savoring each delectable bite. They savored not just the delicious taste of the chocolate cake, but also the warmth of their friendship and the wisdom shared by the wise old bear. And so their delightful adventure continued, with the memory of the chocolate cake lingering in their hearts, reminding them of the joy found in sharing moments with each other. The forest echoed with the laughter of three contented bears as they explored, learned, and cherished the treasures of their journey together.